everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I am a part-time slash full-time reseller in eBay and Poshmark, but I thought I would show you a few pieces that I picked up when I went to Goodwill recently. It was just a really quick trip to Goodwill, and I thought I would show you the items that I picked up, and I'll kind of tell you why I picked them up. I do sell also on Etsy, and I do have a Depop shop, but I rarely sell anything on there. I don't bump my items properly usually, so I just don't sell very much on there. And I did list my first 10 items on Vinted, so we'll see how that goes. And I bumped one, so we'll see. I don't know, I guess you can bump them. I'm gonna try to consistently list on there a couple items a day probably and see how that goes, but we'll see. So the pieces that I got, I'll kind of talk to you about why I got them and what they cost, and then what I think I can probably sell them for. So I really do love Y2K fashion. I love vintage, so I do pick up stuff like that pretty frequently, but I also I'm pretty versed in current brands and styles as well that sell well online. But yeah, so let's get right into it. The first piece I actually just got for myself, but I probably could resell it, but I probably wouldn't make very much. It is a Lush tank top, and it's just striped, and then it ties on the side. I'll probably just keep this for myself if it fits me good. I'm not planning on reselling it. I didn't purchase it for that reason. I do believe I probably could sell it for $10 or $15, probably not more than that. But because I bought it for myself, I did pay $3.99. So this I picked up. This is vintage, and it was $1.99 on the clearance rack. My Goodwill does have a clearance rack, and it is this checkered, I don't know, yeah, checkered floral vest. This is what I would consider very vintage. Brand is not important, it's a size large. I'm not sure how I'm going to market this, if I'm going to try to style it. Maybe I'll style it, we'll see. But because it's just kind of unique and fun, it's got embroidered flowers, I think that I'll be able to sell it for like probably $25 or $30. Probably more like $25. We'll see though. I only paid $2 for it, so I'm not super concerned. This isn't something I would normally pick up in the summertime, but it is a new tag cabbie, and it was only $1.99, and it is kind of like a poncho sweater, cowl neck, cable knit, all good keywords. I'll probably try to sell this for $25 or $30 just because I might be able to get more. I'm going to look up comps because it's really easy to find the style number and everything on the cabbie tag. There's a style number, and it's really easy to look up what comps would be. But if I could sell it for $25 or $30, I'd be really happy. There is a cabbie online, like Facebook buy, sell, trade page, and I might list it on there as well because there really won't be any fees because I'll probably sell through PayPal, so the fees will be really low. And then usually I'll do like free shipping also that way, and that would definitely go priority. So I could probably make $20 on it pretty easy. Now this is a Sundance, which I've seen this at my Goodwill multiple times, but I didn't want to pay $5.99. Unfortunately, the size tag is cut out, but I definitely think that it can still sell. I would probably list it as a medium, and then I'll say, you know, measurements in listing, missing size tag, measures as a medium, but I'll measure and make sure. I also just love this because it's embroidered, like crocheted, I guess, and this would be really cute over a swimsuit for the summer. So I definitely could put swimsuit cover up, that kind of stuff. I got this purely on style. It is, I think, a swim skirt. And I love it that it's got like the little pocket on the side. Brand is not important. Low set, I don't know what that is. But I think this is definitely streetwear. Probably would be good on Depop. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to probably, if it fits me, I will probably model it, just because I think if I modeled it, it would make it look cute. I did pay $4.99, but sometimes when I find stuff that's like Y2K, I have a hard time not buying it because I remember that era, and I grew up in that era, so I really love that era. So sometimes I don't make the best choices when it comes to that. This is not a real big haul, guys. This is a short thrift haul. This is an older Tag Express. I will say this is a Y2K snake print sheer long sleeve top. I'm probably going to model this as well. It was $6.99, which is way more than I would normally pay, but I do really good with Y2K, and I think this would do really good. And if I model it as well, I really think it'll do good. I definitely am probably going to list this for probably like $39.99. I consistently sell Y2K stuff, tank tops and tops very frequently for $35, even when I have best offer on eBay. I sold a No Boundaries tank top. It was like my first Y2K item that I listed several months ago. I may have been in the winter time even. It was a Y2K cabbage hem top, and it wasn't anything I would consider special or anything like that, but because of the keywords and the style, it was No Boundaries from Walmart, but it was from the Y2K era. So it was the black tag with the white wording, you know, letters, and it sold for $35 plus shipping on eBay. I recently sold a Faded Glory, which is also Walmart crocheted Y2K top. So, and it was just like a tan top with a little tie. Nothing spectacular, nothing wonderful, but I sold that one for $35 plus shipping. So I know that Y2K tops, depending on the style, what it is, they're really popular right now, and they're selling for high prices. So if I can sell this and make $20 on it, I will be very, very happy. Now this jacket, I'm not sure. I only have 2 more pieces to show you. So you can see almost everything I purchased. Okay, not everything. Half of what I purchased was Y2K, but I really love Y2K. I picked this up for $3. This is an animal print. It's just Route 66, size small. I would say Route 66 it's from Walmart, or Kmart, I mean. Which Kmart's are mostly out of business. I think what I'm going to do with this actually is I'm going to crop it and have a raw hem at the bottom. I did like the sleeves kind of have like a patch on the elbow, kind of. I don't know. We will see. I don't know if it will really sell for anything, but I'm gonna do that and then model it and see how it goes. I don't know for sure if I could put Y2K for this. I'm thinking probably newer than that, but. And I picked up these sandals. These were I went back and forth on. They were $6.99 or $7.99, and I picked them up. They are the brand L'Artiste. I don't know if I'm saying that right. They are a size 39, which I think is an 8. I think that's an 8. They are genuine leather. They have Tiffinol. I don't know if that's the name of it. They are like a Velcro. And in both spots, so you can make them smaller or bigger. They look brand new, almost like maybe someone wore them in the house. I don't know. They look pretty brand new. There's a little bit of dark right there, but I think they're almost brand new. Comps were like all over the place on eBay, but I picked them up because they were $6.99 or $7.99. And I thought if I can sell these for $35, I'm going to make at least $20 profit, right? So, I think I list them for $39 or $40. Because it's summertime, I don't pick up a lot of shoes. I recently picked up like 15, 20 pairs of shoes because my Style Encore had a $1 sale, and so they had a ton of shoes that were still only $1, like a pair of Lucky Brand boots, a pair of Fry shoes. Obviously they're probably not super desirable because they were still there, but I also like Y2K shoes. So anyway, I did pick these up. I'm hoping I can sell them for at least $35. Comps were everywhere from like, I found one similar that I think sold for like 30, 25 or 30. I wouldn't pick them up for just 30, you know, to sell them for 25, because it wouldn't be worth it. But I definitely think I can make some profit, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's everything that I got. I think I spent, I can't remember, it was like $40 maybe, 40 something. maybe not. Yeah, maybe like 40. I don't remember. But yeah, so that's everything that I picked up. Not a ton of stuff, but a few items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this thrift haul. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comment section. I'd love to answer any of the questions that you have. I am trying to make more content and get videos uploaded more often, just because I do have more time on my hands, and I would love to just make more content for you guys and hopefully eventually get monetized. So if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and like this video, because that definitely helps me in the algorithm. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you later. Bye.